Right, this is my video for fixing a Wii which has been broken on the screen connector. The screen connector is a tiny little wire down the side which connects to the screen. Now I fixed this with WHITE TACK. Since I posted this on Fixit, people have been debating if this can be done, but I've done it. So in this video I'll show you how. Just turn it on to show you the screen's working. The way it got broken is when I was fixing the joystick and everything, I pulled the little tab up and it popped off because I pulled it up the wrong way. It should come up this way, pulled it up that way, it broke. But as you can see, the screen works, and in a moment I'll show you the inside just to prove it. Why I did it was I put a piece of blue tack, or white tack should I say, underneath, one piece across the ribbon cable, and then a small blob which pushes into the top to hold it down. You can see the little marks what the case has made in the top, here and here. Hopefully you can see that. Two little marks from the top of the case. Blue tack, and it's well, not blue tack, but white tack is on the bottom, and this one here. The ribbon cables before they pull out look like this one. It has the little clip here, and the little ribbon connects to it. Okay, the way I did the fix was I put a piece of the white tack on the actual circuit board here, underneath the wire, pushed the cable down onto the blue tack, made sure the cable connected to the pins, just what's on this unit. You can see the little pins here. Pushed it down, made sure the tags on the side of the cable connected to the little clips on the side of the cable. Pushed it down flat onto the white tack what was on the board, so it stuck. Then covered the top with white tack, pushed it down nice and hard, as you can see here. And then I put this little bit of white tack here to make sure it was up. This fixed my one, as you can tell from the working screen, and that's all there is to it. It's not exact. What it will do is when you put your battery in, this light will come on, the screen will go kind of light, and then it will turn back off. But when you've got it exactly right, this will go red, come up blue, and your screen will come on as normal. Okay, hope this helps. Hope it proves the point what it will be done and can be done. And thank you for your time, and see you on the next video.